downloaded a multi-part RAR archive and your file list includes R00, R01, R02 numbered parts. These are split archive files from WinRAR. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to extract these WinRAR split archive files properly. Keep your expectations high for the final step. We will introduce you to the single utility that makes troubleshooting the R00 format and dozens of others obsolete. An R00 file is the first part of a multi-volume compressed archive created by WinRAR. When a large file is split into smaller segments for easier transfer or storage. The parts are named sequentially, R00, so R01, R02. Users need all parts in the same folder to extract the original content. The R00 file, along with its counterparts, is a binary data segment of a larger RAR archive. The splitting logic is managed by WinRAR, which embeds headers in each file to identify its sequence and relation to the primary archive file, often a .rr file. This design allows for robust reassembly of the complete archive. The R00 format was designed to be handled by WinRAR from RAR Lab, Eugene Rochel. Windows cannot fully extract this archive type, requiring dedicated extraction software. Windows supports limited archive interaction, so full access requires dedicated decompression tools. To resolve the incompatible file format error, right-click the R00 file and choose Open With. Prioritize WinRAR if available. If absent, choose another application. We are searching for the correct file link. If the R00 file won't open, don't panic. When the initial application fails, we must assume a deeper problem. Let's jump into these 3 core diagnostic steps immediately. First, extracting with WinRAR. Place all numbered parts, including the original .rr file and all .r00, R01, R02 files in the same folder. Right-click the .rr file or first part and select Extract Here or Extract Files. WinRAR automatically detects all parts and extracts the complete archive contents from the multi-volume set. Next, using 7-zip, open 7-zip File Manager and navigate to the folder containing all archive parts. Select the main RAR file or R00 file and press the Extract button. 7-zip handles split RAR archives. Just like WinRAR processing all numbered volumes together to extract the original files seamlessly. Finally, verifying complete set. Before extraction, verify all numbered parts are present and have correct file sizes. Missing or corrupted parts cause extraction failures. If parts are missing, re-download them from the source. Use WinRAR's test function on the archive to verify integrity before attempting full extraction of important data. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.